Welcome to this tutorial video. In the previous video, we learned how to create a real-time rendering template and more. In this video, we continue to learn other functions. Let's try it together. Part 4, Lights Adjustment. Function 1, Adjust the environment. Click Environment on the left. Select the required exterior image from the public library. You can also upload your own outdoor images. Then adjust sunshine and ambient light in the right parameter panel. Function 2, Adjust lights. Click Light on the left. You can see that there are multiple light types in the left sidebar. Currently supports 5 common lights: rectangular area light, circular area light, omni-light, spotlight, IES light. Select the appropriate light to place in the scene as needed. Then click the light icon. Adjust the light position and effect parameters in the right parameter panel. Part 5, Materials Adjustment. In the real-time rendering environment, materials can be easily adjusted and replaced to achieve the best solution effect. Select the model part and adjust material parameters in the right panel. You can also click Replace to change materials with a rich selection available in the public library. Part 6, Effect Settings. The real-time rendering environment provides rendering parameters and post-processing functions in the right panel, allowing users to further optimize the image effect. Function 1, Rendering Parameters. You can set exposure, ambient blocking, brightness, etc. to achieve a more realistic rendering image. Function 2, Post-Processing. By using beautification parameters and LUT filters, you can set the color of the image to make the overall effect more harmonious. Part 7, Render Output. Once satisfied with the lighting project, click the ellipsis button next to the render button at the top right. Select the desired image type, aspect ratios, and resolutions. Then click Render. After rendering, the results can be viewed in the gallery. That's all. Thanks for watching.